Okay, let's move on to question number 2. Okay, so this next question is asking us, use indirect reasoning to prove that log base 2 5 is an irrational number. So we're given log base 2 5. So here when it says base 2, usually when you write out log, you don't write out the base. But what is assumed in this scenario when there is no base written, the base is 10. So when you say log 5, you're essentially saying log base 10, 5. And these two are equivalent. But here they're giving us the base 2. So really, I'm going to erase this bottom part. So here we're trying to figure out, is it an irrational number? Is it an irrational number or is it not? So give me 1 second, let me grab something. Okay, so here we need to kind of define what an irrational number is, and essentially it's the opposite of a rational number is. So a rational number, I'll just write out the definition here. Is a number, so I'm just using this hashtag symbol to represent a number, that can be expressed as a ratio of 2 integers. So this is kind of the full definition of what a rational number is. And essentially we're trying to figure out, based on our reasoning, is it a rational number or is it an irrational number? And here they're indicating that it's irrational. We just have to explain why that's the case. So let me erase this bottom section. So looking at what the junior tutor outlined, so log ax equals y, so they're giving you kind of the template formula, is the same as a to the power of y equals x. So here log ax equals y. This can be converted into a to the power of y is equal to x. So using the same idea, we can convert this into this format. So we would say that this, so a is just 2. We'll say 2. Our y is unknown, so we'll just leave it as y for now. So 2 to the power of y is equal to x, and x in this scenario is 5 up here. So going on, we can see where a is the base and y is the exponent. Given the expression log 2, 5, let's assume that it is a rational number, so they're making that kind of assumption. We can express the given as an exponential function, and then we can see that both 2 and 5 are prime numbers, and 2 is even and 5 is odd. So there's not really a number that you can plug in for y that would give you 5. You'd have to plug in an irrational number. You'd have to plug in an irrational number. So a rational number for y would be like 1, 2, 3, or any kind of so essentially any ratio of 2 integers. So it could be like a fraction or anything else. But in this scenario, you can see that because you can't plug that in for here, you know that log 2, 5 is an irrational number. So just based on looking at this over here, we can say that log 2, 5. I'm looking for the back button or the reverse button over here. I don't seem to find one. Oh, there it is. So log 2, 5 is irrational. Okay. So we've verified that this is the correct solution based on our reasoning over here, and kind of went through the step-by-step process. So we'll mark this as correct. correct answer. Great job. And we'll mark this as correct.